Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your Bitmoji classroom into an interactive classroom. Essentially what that means is that you can hover around any item on your Bitmoji classroom and you can have the students be able to link it to a website or point it to something else that you would like for them to go watch. Now, I already have my Bitmoji classroom set up. All of my books already have a hyperlink. And that is how you're going to create a interactive Bitmoji classroom. I am going to publish my Bitmoji classroom so I can see what it's going to look like on the web. You go to file and you click on publish. It's going to give you a website. You're going to copy this. You can open up a new browser. You can press paste. And there you go. This is my Bitmoji classroom, and these are interactive pictures, or these are interactive clip art. When a student accesses a website, they can click on Splat the Cat and it's going to take you directly to Splat the Cat or wherever you pointed that book to. But let's assume that I wanted to make the Geronimo Stilton a interactive post. You go back to your Google slide where you have your Bitmoji classroom set up. You go ahead and you click on the poster or whatever the item is that you want to make interactive. You have to have the website that you want it to link to already set up. This is a website I want that poster to link to. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the address bar. Then I'm going to make sure that this is highlighted and I'm going to click on this little insert link button right here. When you insert link button, that is what essentially makes that poster interactive. As you recall, right now it does not. I can click everywhere here, nothing's gonna happen. So I'm gonna close this out. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna go to publish. I'm gonna stop publishing. Then I'm gonna go and publish again. Copy it. I'm gonna go paste it. And now when I hover over the poster, I can click on the poster and it's going to take me to whatever website you wanted that poster or that icon or whatever clip art it was you want to take it. So that is how simple and easy it is to make your Bitmoji interactive, your Bitmoji classroom interactive for your students. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And once again, thank you for watching.